If you just picked up your first AirTag and you're not sure where to start, don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, let's make sure your iPhone is ready. Double check that you're running iOS 14.5 or later. Just head to Settings, tap General, and then About. Next, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, Find My is enabled, and Location Services is active. Oh, and don't forget, you'll need a good Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Alright, now for the fun part. Take your AirTag out of the box, unwrap it, and pull out that little plastic battery tab. You'll hear a cheerful chirp. That means your AirTag just woke up. Hold it close, like really close, to your unlocked iPhone. In a few seconds, a setup card should pop up on your screen. Tap Connect. Now, you get to name your AirTag. You can pick from suggestions like keys, backpack, or just make up your own. Throw in an emoji if you want. Next, tap Continue to link the AirTag to your Apple ID. Almost there, just hit Done, and your AirTag now appears in the Items tab inside the Find My app. So, how do you actually use it? If your keys go missing, open Find My and tap Play Sound. The AirTag will chirp so you can hear it. Got an iPhone 11 or newer? Tap Find, and you'll get on-screen arrows and distance, thanks to precision finding. If your item goes missing out in the wild, enable Lost Mode to get notified if someone finds it. And you can leave your contact info too. Quick fixes. If you don't see the setup animation, lock and unlock your phone, then try again. Setting up a bunch? Do them one by one. And if things get really stuck, just pop the battery out and back in 5 times, yes, 5, until you hear a different sound.